In a vibrant animated world, two curious siblings, Mia and Leo, set off on a quest to discover delicious, healthy snacks. First, they meet a cheerful fruit wizard who shows them how to make colorful fruit kebabs, mixing strawberries, bananas, and grapes for a tasty on-the-go treat. Next, they encounter a wise veggie guru, teaching them to create crunchy veggie wraps filled with hummus and their favorite vegetables. But the fun doesn't stop there. They stumble upon a magical nut butter fountain where they learn to dip apple slices for a scrumptious snack. By the end of their adventure, Mia and Leo realize that healthy eating can be exciting, delicious, and full of surprising flavors.